Really, all of the operations are under two executive leads, one that heads up our clinical and preclinical operations, and I, who oversee all of the services that support those operations and wrap it all up in order to provide the client with a report at the end. The way this allows us to differentiate ourselves from integration harmonization perspective is not only does it allow us to streamline the experience for the client, but it also makes harmonization and adaptation from an employee perspective a much easier experience internally as well. The idea is that if integration and harmonization is easy for our employees internally, it gets transmitted into a streamlined experience for clients, both from a preclinical to clinical perspective. The project management group, for example, is the team that's responsible for being able to pull all the pieces together and make sure that everything occurs as planned. The result for clients of this streamlined experience is being able to take their compound from lead candidate selection to proof of concept in a much faster and more efficient way.